G'day and welcome to QCamPro. Are you a certified robotics installer, or does your business provide a robotics solution? Are you looking to value add to the services you provide while at the same time earning recurring revenue? Every time your customer opens up QCamPro to view their cameras, would you like your logo front and center? Then this might be of interest to you. This video will walk you through how to set up a 30-day free trial business account, add cameras, configure cameras to send notifications, and set up the end user's devices all through your own QCamPro portal. First of all, please set up a new partner account through our website www.QCamPro.com.au. Go to Reseller Portal, New Partner Account, and register your details. Once you've completed this section, please email me at support@QCamPro.com.au with the email that you have used to create your account, and I will activate your 30-day free trial. Once your account has been activated, please log in through the Reseller Portal. Here you will set up your own account and have the ability to add new client accounts. If you work with multi-dwelling units such as gated communities or apartments, this works really well with the T25. Okay, let's start by choosing Setup Options. This is where we organise the best subscription service that suits you in this case, because we are doing your account, but your customer when you start adding clients. You will note the cost in the bottom left-hand corner. This will change as you choose the best license option to suit your customer. Please also note, if the customer doesn't require monitoring, this is still a subscription-based app, which means you will be providing these app services to your customer and have the ability to have your branding front and center while earning recurring revenue. Add additional cameras for monitoring if required, and save down the bottom. Let's now add some cameras. In this case, we're going to add a T25. Now enter the external camera address that's been set up for remote viewing, the port number, the camera username and password, and then click on Test Camera Setup. What you're actually doing here is establishing a connection between the camera and our server. Once you've established a connection between the camera and our server, you'll note the camera information loaded successfully. Now to set up the camera notification. Click Setup. This will load the QCamPro IP profile directly into the camera and will advise you once successful. And the last thing to program in the camera is Actions. These are the API strings to control action groups or the predefined actions which you'll find as default settings in the camera. You may have even created your own for controlling lights, irrigation systems, air conditioning, or auxiliary devices and integration, such as sending the lift to the ground floor when a guest requires access. When completed, click on Save, then add the rest of your cameras, repeating the same process. Now we need to add the end user's devices and notifications. We have set this account up for both iOS and Android devices, and we want to be notified from the T25 when the doorbell is pressed. We want the message to appear advising us the doorbell has been pressed, and we would like the doorbell chime on the devices when activated. We can also choose different types of notifications for different cameras across multiple devices. Please note, none of the devices are registered in your portal as yet. You will note the change when your customer has clicked on the setup link that you've sent them that we're just about to put together now. Click here on the green envelope marked Create Device Setup Info. Enter the camera username and password you've set up for the customer. Then click Generate Device Setup Info. All we need to do now is highlight what we need to send to the customer. In this case, it's multiple users, so we copy and paste the info into an email. And paste into an email. And send. This time, we will just set up and email a single camera for an individual user. Again, customer username and password. Generate device setup info. Highlight and copy. And paste into an email. And send. When your customer downloads the app, they will be prompted with this message asking if their installer has provided a setup link. Ask them to click yes and follow the prompts. The next message will advise your customer to exit QCamPro and refer to the setup link provided by your installer. Please close the app so it's not even running in the background. Now refer to your email. As you know, this account has been set up for many users and devices. We need John's iPhone. Click on the setup link. Click Open. Click OK. Note the free edition, but as you can see, your logo replaces the QCamPro logo once the device is registered. And on an Android device, exactly the same. Open up your email, click on Email Setup link. Again, watch the setup automatically. Note Professional Edition, graphics loaded, confirming your registration with the QCamPro server. Now refer back to your portal. You'll notice all these devices are now registered except these two. Let's now trigger a manual test from our server to the camera. This also helps in fault finding. You will note a confirmation message at the top of the page once the message has been sent. This time, by pressing the call button on a T25, we can show you what happens in a real situation across both iOS and Android devices. Note this time we have all the devices turned off except the iPad mini. Each device receives the notification, except for the iPhone on the bottom right hand corner because it's connected to the iWatch. If you have the option for iWatch and it's connected to your iPhone, the watch will receive the notification. Again, showcasing your branding front and center. Simply tap on the notification. As you can see, the camera information is displayed at the top of the screen. Now it's loading the camera and information from the iPhone. As you can see, the image is now loaded. Let's click on Actions. From a camera bell button event, you would normally just open the door or send the lift down to the lobby for a guest. But in this case, we will show you what else you can do, such as remote control of a light. Remember, these are all programmable from within the camera. Whatever you integrate through your I/O modules can be controlled all through here. Okay, now we've completed the training video. All we need to do now is start adding clients. Add a new client account, name of the customer's account. Once you've completed the email address, check the password and settings, click Save down the bottom and go straight into setup options. For your information, all inquiries are directed to our partner page for the end user to select a QCamPro monitoring service provider. They are asked to click on a country and hit Search. They will then be presented with a list of QCamPro partners to choose from. If you'd like to value add to the services that you provide by joining our QCamPro partner program, please complete your details on our website. Send us an email to support@qcampro.com.au with the email address that you've used to create your account, and I will activate your 30-day free trial. This is a QCamPro partner training video. Thank you for watching.